Hi everyone, welcome to Phrase It Friday. My name is Alex, the founder and developer of Phrase It, the English language card game that helps you accelerate your language through fun and innovation. So today we're going to learn two phrasal verbs. The first one is turn in. The second one is hand in. Now with turn in, they actually both mean the same. Hand in, turn in. But it means like when I have a piece of paper or a document, I turn it in. I hand it in to my teacher or professor. Or if I need to provide documents for anything when I'm traveling, maybe a passport or a work visa or any kind of paperwork that I need to do or a document, I turn it in or I hand it in. And so that's what you do. You can give something to an official or a teacher or professor, and we'll use both of these, like hand in, turn in. Also, hand in can also be separated. So we could say hand the paper in, hand the document in, or hand it in. We use a pronoun it in between. We also do that with turn in. We'll say turn it in, turn it in. Now the difference with hand in and turn in is just the usage. Hand in is often used with the documents and the teachers and professors more than turn in, or about the same. It's just this one is almost exclusively used for that situation. Hand in your homework, hand in your assignment, hand in your documents. But turn in has a little more difference, has a more flexible use to it. But we do say like turn it in, but turn in can be if I lose my keys or I lose my phone at the store or I lose maybe my child's teddy bear and we have to go back to the store and we forgot something. And so we'll ask maybe the customer assistance or for customer help, we'll say, do you have a lost and found? Did someone turn my phone in? Did someone turn my keys in? Did someone turn in my lost teddy bear? Or did someone turn in my keys? So we might use those expressions to see if someone brought something to the official business owners or leaders to see if you lost something. Now the same applies to a hotel. Maybe you're staying in a hotel or motel and you need to you lost something, you forgot something at the hotel, you go back the next day and say, oh, I bet my wallet, I left it at the hotel, or oh, I bet my keys, I left them at the hotel. So you'll go and say, excuse me, did anyone turn in my keys? Did anyone turn in my wallet? Did anyone turn in my briefcase? And they might say, yes, someone did, here you go. Or no, they didn't. And so that's where you'd see turn in as not just handing in an assignment or document, but turn in as in somebody brought something in a situation where you lost something. The other one is for directions. We also use turn in for directions. So if I'm driving, a friend might be like, turn in over here, turn in right here. And then I turn quickly because I don't want to miss this specific turn. And it actually comes from the turn, like, yeah, to turn. Like, you can turn left, you can turn right. I think in Chinese it's xiang you, or no, xiang you, xiang zuo. But anyway, it's like turn left, turn right, but which is different. But I might say turn in right over here, or turn in left over here. So we use turn in about 3 ways. To hand in an assignment is turn in an assignment, turn in, did someone lose something and you wanted to know if somebody had turned it in? Or at work, if you're a boss or an employer and you give an assignment to your people, you say, oh, did you turn in the report? Or can you turn in your statistics? Or can you turn in that file I asked you to complete? So that's maybe to complete something as well in the workplace. But the other one, turn in, is, if you lost something, did someone turn it in? And you go and find it. And then the third one is literal directions, going somewhere. Okay, so that's it for Phrase It Friday. Again, let's listen and repeat. Hand in, turn in. All right? If this video was useful for you, please subscribe to the link below, share with your friends, and if you want to get my Phrase It cards or dice, click one of the links below, as well as stay tuned because this December I'll be launching my online ESL course for you to take, and it will be called English on the Street, where you can continue to grow and accelerate your English language learning from here to here. I'm Alex again with Phrase It. Hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you at the next Phrase It Friday.